హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు బేసిక్ నాలెడ్జ్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. నేను మీ ఆఫ్రిన్. ఈరోజు చెప్పబోయే టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే ఇంటర్నేషనల్ MCQR క్వశ్చన్స్ అయితే డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1. విచ్ కంట్రీ ఈజ్ ద లార్జెస్ట్ ప్రొడ్యూసర్ ఆఫ్ కాఫీ ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్? యువర్ ఆప్షన్స్. ఆప్షన్ ఏ బ్రెజిల్, ఆప్షన్ బి కొలంబియా, ఆప్షన్ సి వియత్నాం, ఆప్షన్ డి ఇథియోపియా. The right answer is option A, Brazil. Question number 2. What is the capital of Australia? Your options. Option A, Sydney. Option B, Melbourne. Option C, Canberra. Option D, Brisbane. The right answer is option C, Canberra. Question number 3. Who is the current Secretary General of the United Nations? Your options. Option A, Ban Ki-moon. Option B, Kofi Annan. Option C, Antonio Guterres. Option D, Thompson. The right answer is option C, Antonio Guterres. Question number 4. Which country has the longest coastline in the world? Your options. Option A, Canada. Option B, Russia. Option C, Australia. Option D, United States. The right answer is option A, Canada. Question number 5. What is the currency of Japan? Your options. Option A, yen. Option B, won. Option C, dollar. Option D, euro. The right answer is option A, yen. Question number 6. In which city is the headquarters of the European Union located? Your options. Option A, Paris. Option B, Brussels. Option C, Berlin. Option D, Amsterdam. The right answer is option B, Brussels. Question number 7. Which organization is responsible for International Postal Service? Your options. Option A, UNESCO. Option B, WHO. Option C, UPU. Option D, IMF. The right answer is option C, UPU. Question number 8. What is the largest desert in the world? Your options. Option A, Antarctica. Option B, Arabian. Option C, Gobi. Option D, Kalahari. The right answer is option A, Antarctica. Question number 9. Which country won the 2022 FIFA World Cup? Your options. Option A, Brazil. Option B, Argentina. Option C, France. Option D, Germany. The right answer is option B, Argentina. Question number 10. The Great Wall of China was primarily built to protect against which invaders? Your options. Option A, Mongols. Option B, Manchu. Option C, Huns. Option D, Japanese. The right answer is option A, Mongols. Question number 11. What is the smallest country in the world by area? Your options. Option A, Monaco. Option B, San Marino. Option C, Vatican City. Option D, Liechtenstein. The right answer is option C, Vatican City. Question number 12. Which river is the longest in the world? Your options. Option A, Nile. Option B, Amazon. Option C, Yangtze. Option D, Mississippi. The right answer is option A, Nile. Question number 13. The Paris Agreement forces on which global issue? Your options. Option A, biodiversity. Option B, climate change. Option C, poverty. Option D, trade. The right answer is option B, climate change. Question number 14. Who was the first person to step on the moon? Your options. Option A, Buzz Aldrin. Option B, Neil Armstrong. Option C, Michael Collins. Option D, Yuri Gagarin. The right answer is option B, Neil Armstrong. Question number 15. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? Your options. Option A, Asia. Option B, Africa. Option C, South America. Option D, Atlantica.
ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్.